Hi guys, welcome to the Styles collection. I wanted to show you how to use the style cards. So the best way to use them is with our brand canvas when you are creating a mood board. So for example, on the right hand side of the screen, you see here the brand canvas that I have zoomed in a little bit. I'm at the section where we are defining the style, right? On the left hand side, we see the style cards. And let's say I'm in the speakeasy style. And as I'm creating the mood board, I want to drag some of the images from here. So the way to do it is that you go over the image, you click on it, and you hold the mouse, and then you drag the image onto your mood board. It takes a little bit of time for it to load, but you can then position and resize it. Let's say we want to drag another image. You do the same. And you can build this mood board on the brand canvas using our styles collection. You can also drag here images from other internet sources or your own images. And that's how the mood board is built. One thing to note that you need to reference the images here by including their author names when you are using this. And of course, you cannot use these images in your designs because of the copyright license, that all the copyright belongs to the authors of the images, and you can find the author names once you roll over the image. Another way to use the style cards is when you are discussing with a client or your team of what would be the best design direction. So you can then explore the style, right? And as you're looking through the images, discuss it with your team, is this the direction, is that the direction? And this gives you already a curated set of images and saves you a lot of research time. So in order to be understood in the right way by both people on what you mean aesthetically, it's always best to use an image as a facilitator, right? So just make sure that when you're looking at the image, you're using, you kind of use it as a way to clarify what a certain word means for you. And that's how we ensure that the conversation is smooth. So I hope you will enjoy our styles collection, that you will discover some new works, and that it will help you to make your design research process smoother and add a little bit of more play into what you do. Enjoy.